Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing good. So, as many of you told me that you were having network issues and some of you were not able to connect, I can understand that. And for those people, I'm giving a brief about the class, what I taught you today. First of all of you take out page 70. You can see 4 pictures there. Page 17 in the workbook is to adjectives. You can see 4 pictures there. In these 4 pictures, you can see 4 different kind of people. On my screen, there is a first young girl. That is a picture 1. And in the picture 1, there are 4 columns: height, body, face, age, hair. So, by looking at this picture carefully, by observing the picture, think about her appearance, how she looks, and then write, as I have written, her body type as slim, her face as round, her age as young, her hair as curly. One I have done for you, and the rest of the 3 you will do by yourself. Picture 2, you can see an old man there. You have to write about his height, his face, appearance, his age, and his hair. Okay? Then you have to write about the lady, the same things. The middle-aged lady, the same 3 columns. You have to write one word for her height and body, one word for her face, like I have written chubby, one word for her age, middle age, and one word for her hair, short, wavy. You don't have to copy from this. Whatever you can see on the screen, on the picture, not on the screen, on the picture in your book, workbook, you have to write. And same goes with the picture 4. This you have to write. Okay, students, by writing this, you got many words describing chubby, slim, round, long, young, clever, funny, friendly, honest, hardworking, intelligent, brave. So, this all words are used to describe a person. Do you remember when we were studying Mala Goes to School? We wrote many words to describe Mala, like hardworking, brave, intelligent, clever, curious. Yes? So these words which describe a person or a thing is called what? Yes, adjectives. They are called adjectives. Students, I want all of you to take out your notebook, put today's date, and write this in your notebook. Adjectives. Adjectives are the describing words or words that describe a noun or pronoun are called adjectives. We all know what is a noun. Yes, name of a place, animal or thing is called noun. And what is a pronoun? Yes, pronouns are those words which are used in the place of a noun. For example, he, she, we, you. Okay? So, whenever a word is used to describe a noun or a pronoun, it is called adjectives. Write this in your notebook. Okay? Let's see some of the examples of adjectives. He is a big boy. Can anyone tell me what is the adjective in this? Yes, big. Because big is describing the boy. She is very tall. Tall is the adjective here because tall is describing her. He is very polite. Polite is describing that boy. So the same goes with the rest of the examples. Okay? You can find out the adjective in this. What you have to do, just write two sentences from this in the notebook. After writing this, write these two sentences. He is a big boy and she is very tall. Only write these two sentences. Don't need to write all of them, okay, in the notebook. Now students, come to the S3 in your workbook, page number 18, descriptive writing. In this, you can see a paragraph. Okay, first read the paragraph. After reading that, what you have to do, underline the adjectives in the given paragraph. We all have understood what are adjectives. They all are describing words. So in this para, there are different adjectives. Then what you have to do, you have to underline all of them. After doing that, please cross-check your answers which I have given here in red color are the right answers, are the adjectives. Okay, I have highlighted it with red color. This is the half of the paragraph and this is the full paragraph. So cross-check your answers whether you have written the right answers or not. Okay, and this is the half of the paragraph. Okay, after that comes to the question 2, which is something about the above paragraph. Which action in the above paragraph tell us that Rohini is helpful and gentle? So the answer is given here, students. I have provided the answer. What you have to do, there is a correction in the answer. In the place of she helps her mother in grocery shopping, the G is cropped here. So you should write grocery, not rosary. Okay, G is there, Grocery. Okay, and you should write this in the workbook. This is for today, students. Now let's come to the homework. Choose a person in your family and describe about him or her. In this, what you have to do, you have to select anyone in your house. It can be your mother, father, sister, brother, anyone. You have to describe about his or her appearance, looks, behavior in 5 to 6 lines. In 5 to 6 lines in the notebook. This you have to do in the notebook. Okay? And after writing a 5 to 6 lines paragraph, you have to come to the question 3 in page number 18. Question 3 in page number 18. Descriptive writing. Where you can see question 3, page number 18. Refer to the paragraph written in your notebook and tick yes or no. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to put tick yes or no according to the paragraph you have written about a family member in your notebook. For example, the first question is, my paragraph is about a character. Is it yes or no? Yes, because you are writing about a character. So you will put a tick mark on yes. So question 3 from S3, page 18, and this one is your homework. Okay? Thank you, students. Have a good day and send me the homework by today.